your MRCP dreams will be definitely fulfilled under the guidance of, and MRCP have always been my inspiration. I am so much motivated by his classes and by his way of teaching, and my advice will be to all of you. Everyone. Today I am absolutely very much overwhelmed and happy after doing the 2-day session from SS Academy, and our mentor Dr. Shumanta Kumar Saha is an excellent teacher and an excellent doctor, and MRCP have always been my inspiration. But he is guiding us in such a wonderful way. I think definitely my getting the MRCP degree will be fulfilled very soon, and I am so much motivated by his classes and by his way of teaching. So my advice will be that I have joined the online class from SS Academy, and my advice will be to all of you, to all the Indian students, that please, if you have a dream for MRCP, please join SS Academy, and please groom yourself under our mentor Dr. Shumanta Kumar Saha. He is a great teacher, and we are very much helpful by his 2-day classes, and our next session is in Mumbai in the month of September. So I will advise to all of the Indian aspirants who are aspirating for MRCP degree, the Indian doctors, please join these 2-day sessions and make it successful, and your MRCP dreams will be definitely fulfilled under the guidance of Dr. Shumanta Kumar Saha. Thank you so much.